is a liar. Hey! Yes. Oh, babe, this is why I don't wear lip gloss. Bah! But yeah. Mind your business, okay? We are doing makeup. Plumping lips. I put this at the beginning when I do my makeup to really revive my lips. Sometimes they'll be looking a bit mad and sad, so I like to revive them with this. I look good. I like to put, because I've got really, not really large, they're pretty large, but they're not really large. Does that make sense? I don't know. But I've got pretty obvious pores in my cheek area. So that's the only place I'm going to apply this pore filler. I'm not going to put it everywhere on my face because everywhere else is actually fine. It's just my cheek area. Some powder on me bruise. Whoa, that was not supposed to happen. Old habits do come in sometimes. Right, now that I've done my eyebrows, I'm just going to use as a primer on my eyes. This is in the shade C13, so I'm just going to prime my eyes. And another key to use when you're doing the eyeshadow, when I've got like a mirror like this, just a handheld mirror, I look down when I want to do something like this to avoid creasing, because if I do like this and try and do it, it's going to be very difficult. So I literally just look down when I want to do something like this to make sure everything is seamless. But I fell in love with this palette. Someone put me on, I can't remember who, but I saw it on Instagram. You're kidding me. You're kidding me. And as you guys know, I'm the drugstore queen. I will plug you guys on affordable, good makeup. Because I'm sorry, but some of this makeup products, they're a bit pricey. And we want to look cute on a budget as well. There's nothing wrong with that, and there's no shame in that. But this is by Beauty Glaze. So you've got 5 matte shades there. And then you've got this beautiful pressed glitter. The thing with pressed glitter, some of these pressed glitters I've seen, is just glitter and gel. This, I don't even want to swatch it because you just get a really firm brush, pat it, and you're done. Very pigmented for the price, if I may say. Using a large blending brush, I'm just going to use this shade all over my crease. Literally creating like a semicircle, and I haven't applied any more product. I'm just using what's on the brush till it's finished, and then when I come to here, I make little circular motions in the crease area. And now using a more tapered and smaller blending brush, I'm just going to apply this color. I'm going to apply that into my crease to just deepen that tone I've applied. Can you see me? Like, you see me? I feel like you can't see me. Can you see me?
Are you blind? You can't see me.
I crashed.
You crashed. How are you coming fast?
There we go. I feel like I'm in the frame now. I'll be damned if I recorded that whole video and I'm not in frame. The devil is a lie. With this brown over here, I'm just gonna apply that in the V and just blend it in that direction. And sound like Oluwa Bankom.
Yeah, what did they do? Hush puppy. Woodberry. Hey. I've just insult his life.
I'm going to apply this shade on the leftover of my lid, just a bit half. You see what I mean? Woo! Ho! Pigmente. I know you see the piece of glitter. I'm ignoring it, so you should too.
Alvin.
I'm going to use this brush that I just used and just blend it out. I haven't put anything on it. I'm just literally using that on the outside just to blend everything. Oh! The devil is a liar! Hey! The confidence. Anyway, since this happened, this is how you fix it. Let it dry. Oh my god, I can't believe it. On this YouTube. Hey! I got gas, I can't lie. I got gas. Oh! You're going to embarrass me in front of all my friends. Oh, Papa de Capanagana, come here. It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
That's literally how much I'm going to use. Because I'm more concealer. That's concealer and powder is where it's at. That's more than enough. And also, it's a fringe. I'm only doing the brows for you guys. I was never going to do them in real life, seriously. Because this hair covers up to here. You will not see this, so I will not waste my time doing this part. I just put like a dot of this because it's been hot and I've gone a bit darker and I like to custom make my own foundations. So I literally use this. Like when I have clients, I cannot afford to have 50 different shades of foundation. So what we do, we literally have like a couple of base colors and then just things like this. These are adjusters. NYX has their own drops. These are affordable because I'm your makeup drugstore what queen. Yes, you know who this is. You know what time it is. It's slow-mo time, okay? Yes. I keep forgetting this chair is squeaking. I do apologize for that. Can you see how I didn't put anything on my forehead? I'm just gonna go over here. I'm just doing it for the sake of blendation, but I haven't applied any more product. It's just whatever's on here. I'm just spreading it everywhere. So I'm just, this one I like to leave for a couple seconds, let it dry as Auntie Jackie taught us. Damn, I am cute. I am cute. Can't believe this one want to embarrass me in front of my own channel, me as manager. To embarrass me. I wanted to blend this, then put this. I'm just using this. And I'm literally applying just some translucent powder over my eyebrows. Makes them last longer, look more real, and less smudge proof. Using saffron in the shade Hot Fudge. I'm going to dust that all over my face. See this part? This part right here. I'm just gonna brighten underneath my eye. Don't know, just want it more, I don't know, just more brighter. I'm just gonna use this coffee cake. I literally call this my universal powder. It's brighter than it looks. I was literally looking on the website the other day and I was just looking at how darker they looked. So it's a bit annoying when you're online shopping. So the best thing is to look for either videos for people like us or to go on Instagram and find that product, because it's so annoying to have to buy something and then you get it, it's the wrong shade, and returning it is hell itself. So it's just better to look for someone who's used that product before so you can save your time. Come in. No.
I'm real good again.
Using this angle, this tapered blending brush and this palette. This is from George, as in Asda. Yes, Asda does makeup and I do like some of their products. So this is a highlighting. This is yeah. This is a highlighting product. And I'm going to use this shade Goddess, and I'm going to apply that on the bridge of my nose and just a little bit, and the temple of my cheeks, and just a little bit on my brow bone. You'll see what I mean. I'm so scared because everything in this video is going left. I'm so scared what's gonna happen. Guess we'll find out. Placement is perfect. It looks like it's not there, but it's there, and we don't need to put more. That's more than enough. Now I'm going to use this very small brush just to connect my eyeshadow. Makeup, everything has to be either married, related, or some sort of family. It just has to be together. I'm just using a tad bit, and I'm just gonna drag that on the waterline of my eye. Just literally make sure that your eyeshadow doesn't look like it's just sitting on top of your eyes. It's literally like just around the whole eye. I honestly need a new chair, and I do apologize again for the squeaking. Okay, now, oh my god. What did I do to deserve this? I'm coming back. Ah! My eyes! I don't know. But back to sender. Just gonna apply some mascara. Whew, you okay? I'm so scared because everything in this video is going left. I'm so scared what's gonna happen. Guess we'll find out.